Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix sorry you have been blocked error in any website. So first you're gonna open Chrome and then you're gonna look up for these three little dots and then open extensions, manage extensions, and here you're gonna delete the extensions that you're not using and that might be causing the trouble on the websites. So you can delete all the extensions and then you're gonna go to these three little dots again and open settings. When you're here, you're gonna go to privacy and security tab and then go to deleting browsing data. Here you're gonna select all time and check these three options and then delete data. Then you're gonna go to about Chrome and check that Chrome is up to date. And this should fix your problem.